Did you know Shakespeare invented over 1700 words? Now imagine the power of words in shaping your child's future. At Hey Guru, we bring an extraordinary webinar on English reading comprehension and writing. Hello, my name is Yogyata Sharma and I will unravel the secrets on effective reading. Because at Hey Guru, we believe words have power to shape worlds.
Hey, and I am Meghna Sharma and I'm about to unveil the secrets to master English writing. This isn't just a webinar, it's your passport to enhance your child's language skills. Get ready on a journey where words come alive and writing becomes an art. Save your free spot now and let's embark on a language adventure together.